Driving a truck?
You are in the construction business.
Or maybe you want to watch your favorite video in a bathroom.
Oukitel unbreakable tablet.
In the box you'll find a charger cable, strap for your belt, shoulder and a stand.
It's a heavy and thick device with NFC, with the ports for the stand, 3 cameras, flash, dual flash. We do have speakers, power button, volume button, microphone and a SIM card which is compatible with 5G network.
And with 5G you will get tremendous speeds.
Of course the device is very heavy. If I put it on a scale, that's 1 kilogram 223 grams, which is, like I said, heavy.
This device is built to withstand the harshest environment. IP68 and IP69K certificate for highest water and dust resistance. Oh. That's the first time I'm fishing with tablets. Oh. And it still works, of course. And we do have some sound. There you go. A little bit of music for you. It also passed the certificate for military-grade drop resistance. Well, that was nothing. We need to do it again, this time on the screen. A little bit of that. Anyway, let's do it again. Oh, direct hit! Ouch! It's fine. Wow. Damn. All right. Unbreakable. Shit. Oh, it's fine. Let's do it again. Jeez. I think I've damaged something. So I've managed to break the stand. I don't think you should swing your tablet like that with a stand. Well, I mean, we have a little bit of dent, and I lost the screws on the grass, but I mean, the stand is almost fine. I think the one bolt is damaged. This one. That's okay. That's okay.
I'm gonna try to find those missing screws with a magnet.
Yeah, bitch! Magnets! Oh!
Has a hand stripe, which is super cool, convenient. What is important of such a device? Face unlock. And let's see how quick that was. Let me do it again. Bam! And now that. You can also use a pin if you wanted to. The whole thing is 60 Hz. Pretty smooth. If we go to settings, we do have, of course, VLAN connectivity, 5G. We do have notification, battery compartment, and the battery is really, really nice. And look at that. And look at my, you see. Storage, that 233 gigabytes, sound and vibration. Display setting, we do have a log, we do have screen time, and we have adaptive brightness if you wanted to. You can use 3 buttons or gestures. I prefer gestures. Wallpaper, accessibility, security. You can see that's very nice. Privacy, so you can set the lock, location, safety and emergency of earthquake alerts, critical alerts, SOS and stuff like that. There's this stuff like unknown tracker alerts, so it will scan for if someone tracking you, then you can scan. I'm not sure how this works, what is detecting, but that's something which I didn't see in any other smartphone. No one is tracking me. No. There you go. Power with Android 13, battery is 32,000. Now, you know what's important? NFC. Imagine if you're in a construction building and the courier came and you have to pay for something. Like with a smartphone. Bing! And there you go. There you go. How cool is that? You know what's also cool? Camera. Hitting the camera app, we have video. Video. What's important in a video? Macro. And it is available. Very, very cool. You want to show something in construction, something in close-up. That's very important. Beauty mode, I'm not sure if you need that, but it is available. Macro mode, okay, I love a macro. It's super macro, crazy macro stuff. Anyway, night mode, which is wow, and more. You have Bokeh HDR scan. HDR, really? Why would you need that? Bokeh Effect Pro and the Pro, you can shoot in RAW and stuff like that. That's cool. All right, let me show you some samples. 4K 30p, that's the maximum resolution for this tablet, which is still amazing. The video stabilization is not that great, but we do have a zoom, which is okay, I guess. And the quality itself is very good, but no video stabilization. Then and the front-facing camera, full length of my arm. Oh, it's really good. You can also zoom in the front-facing camera if you wanted to. But the most important is macro for tab like that, because you want to show macro, something in close-up during your walk. Yeah, you can do that. It's amazing. But let me show you some pictures. And of course, night vision, which is super cool. For example, if you are a plumber, you want to show something at work, it will focus on the pipe. You can take a picture, and it's super convenient at work. Conclusion, designed for hard walking people. There's also a stripe for your shoulder if you want to be like that, but I've managed to damage those screws, and I need longer ones now to connect the stand. The thing is, you don't really swing your tablet like that with a stand. With the other stripe you can, but with a stripe it's a weak link. Anyway, extremely tough. With 2 SIM cards, you can have all kinds of connection in 5G. Just like that with a Google News. I like it. You don't have to worry about damages. Well, if you go crazy with it, of course you can damage everything, but I think it's super reliable. Also for the temperatures, huge battery. I love it. Link in the description. That's all I have. Thanks for watching and see you next video.